Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive excellence, exploring the top contenders for the best brake pads for Toyota Camry. Let's enhance your driving experience together. Number 1. Wagner QuickStop ZD1293 brake pads are a game changer for Toyota Camry owners. These pads deliver unmatched stopping power and precision, making every drive a smooth and secure experience. With top-notch quality and easy installation, they've won me over completely. Say goodbye to brake worries and embrace the safety these pads provide. Elevate your Camry's performance with Wagner, an absolute must-have for any Toyota enthusiast. Thumbs up automobile. Number 2. Bosch BC1212 brake pads, the ultimate upgrade for Toyota Camry. Revamp your ride with these game-changing brake pads by Bosch. Say goodbye to brake fade and hello to unmatched stopping power. Designed specifically for Toyota Camry, their precision engineering ensures a smooth, silent ride. Installation is a breeze, and the quality is second to none. Upgrade your safety and performance with Bosch brake pads. Your Camry deserves nothing less. Number 3. PowerStop Brakes. Unleash your Toyota Camry's true potential. Rocket fire, elevate your driving experience with PowerStop brake pads, tailored specifically for the Toyota Camry. Say goodbye to brake fade and embrace unparalleled stopping power. These pads deliver a seamless blend of reliability and performance, ensuring you feel confident on any road. With PowerStop, safety and style go hand in hand. Upgrade your ride today and let your Camry shine with its newfound stopping prowess. Number 4. BestThose Brakes, unmatched performance for Toyota Camry. Rev up your ride with the ultimate braking power from BestThose. These brake pads are tailored for Toyota Camry, delivering unparalleled stopping ability and precision. Experience confidence like never before with smooth, noise-free braking. No more compromises, BestThose guarantees safety and top-notch performance. Upgrade your Camry today and feel the difference. Number 5. C2 brake pads. Unleash the power of stopping. Automobile dashing away. Attention, Toyota Camry owners. Elevate your driving experience with C2 brake pads. These bad boys offer unparalleled performance and reliability, ensuring smooth, confident stops every time. Say goodbye to screeching brakes and embrace the confidence of responsive braking. C2's precision engineering guarantees a perfect fit for your Camry, giving you peace of mind on the road. Upgrade your braking game with C2 and enjoy the ride of a lifetime. Motorway 100 points. In conclusion, after reviewing various options, we've found the top brake pads for Toyota Camry to be a crucial investment for ensuring safe and efficient braking performance. With their superior durability, excellent stopping power, and reduced noise, Product X and Product Y stand out as the best choices. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you make an informed decision for your Camry's braking needs. Drive safely.